This elevator is so slow. I've been waiting here for 10 minutes.
I know, right? It's the third time this week. Yesterday I was late for work because of it.
We should complain to the building manager. This is getting ridiculous.
Good idea. Oh, look, here he comes now. Hey, Mike.
Hey guys, what's up? You both look pretty upset.
Mike, we need to talk about the elevator. It's way too slow.
Oh, the elevator again. What's the problem this time?
It takes forever to come. Sometimes we wait 15 or 20 minutes.
And when it finally arrives, it stops at every single floor. It's so frustrating.
I see, but the elevator is working fine. It's not broken.
Mike, just because it works doesn't mean it's good enough. We have 8 floors in this building.
Exactly. My neighbor on the 7th floor uses the stairs now. She's 70 years old.
Oh wow, Mrs. Johnson takes the stairs. That's actually pretty impressive for her age.
Mike, that's not the point. The elevator should be faster.
Okay, let me check the maintenance report. Maybe we need a repair.
When was the last time someone checked it?
Let me think, maybe 6 months ago.
6 months, Mike, that's way too long.
You're right. I'll call the repair company today, I promise.
And can you ask them to make it faster? Or maybe we need a second elevator.
A second elevator? Tom, do you know how expensive that is?
Well, can they at least make this one work better?
Sure, I'll ask about that. They can probably speed it up a little bit.
Great, and one more thing. The buttons inside are really dirty.
Yes, nobody cleans them. It's kind of gross, actually.
Dirty buttons, really? I didn't notice that.
Mike, when was the last time you actually used the elevator?
Well, I usually take the stairs. I'm on the second floor, so.
Of course you do. You don't have to wait for it like we do.
Okay, I get it. I'll ride the elevator today and see the problem myself.
Good idea. Try going to the 8th floor during rush hour.
All right, I will, and I'll call the repair company right now.
Thank you, Mike. We really appreciate it.
Yeah, thanks. We just want to get to our apartments without taking 30 minutes.
I understand. I'll make sure they come this week. You guys have my word.
Perfect. Oh, look, the elevator is finally here.
Only 15 minutes this time. That's a new record.
Very funny, Tom. I'll fix this, I promise. See you guys later.
Bye, Mike. Come on, Tom. Let's go before the door closes.
I'm coming. At least we finally made the complaint. Fingers crossed it gets better.